So in the previous video we have seen how to get the file path. Now we will be seeing how to open the file and read the content inside the file. So first let me execute this code. So whenever we press file and once we selected, it is just getting the path. From this we will be extracting our required data and reading the content inside the file. For that you should have to write a small code. First you should have to get the file1 dot name. So what we are doing, we are getting the file name and storing it inside the file2. Now let us say f is equal to open file2. So now we are opening the file and storing it in the f. Now let us create a label is equal to label and text is equal to f dot, and we are telling it to read, and then dot pack. That's all. So what we are doing, first from the file1 we are getting the file name and storing it in the variable file2. So once we have stored it in the file2, we are using one more variable f and opening the file. So once the file is opened, and we are reading the file. So let us see whether there are any errors. So click on the open file, go to the desktop, and here there is a text file. Let me try to open it. See here, now we are able to read the content of the text inside it. This was the text path. So let me change a little bit so that you can read it well. So let us give the font is equal to, let us say Arial, give the font 24, and let us say italic, and let us delete this. We don't want the path. Delete this. Now execute the file. Open the file, choose any file you want to read. See here, we are successfully opening our file. This was the text inside that file. So now we can also write the file. So once you got the path, you can do whatever you want to do. So hope you understood how to get the content of the file using these statements. So keep practicing. Meet you in the next video with the another topic.